Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Rocket Emoji. Today we're unboxing and checking out the awesome LEGO Star Wars Rebel U-Wing Starfighter building set, a perfect model for all you Andor fans and Star Wars lovers out there. Before we dive in, be sure to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for the best price on this set. Package emoji, what's included? LEGO Rebel U-Wing Starfighter with detailed cockpit and movable wings. Minifigures, Cassian Andor, Dedra Meero, and K2SO. Features authentic Star Wars design inspired by the Andor series. A great set for kids 8 and up, but also fun for collectors and Star Wars fans of all ages. Brick emoji, building experience. The build is engaging with a good mix of classic LEGO bricks and some specialized pieces that bring the Starfighter to life. The instructions are clear and perfect for kids and adults alike, making it a fun project whether you're building solo or as a family. Rocket emoji, design and features. The U-Wing model features movable wings that open and close like in the show, plus a cockpit that fits the pilot minifigures. Detailed exterior and interior design capture the look of the ship perfectly. The set stands out as a display piece with its cool build and included figures that are fan favorites. Present emoji, perfect gift idea. If you're looking for a birthday gift or holiday present for a kid, teenager, or Star Wars enthusiast, this LEGO set is a great pick. It combines creativity, Star Wars fandom, and hands-on fun in one box. White check mark emoji, final thoughts. The LEGO Rebel U-Wing Starfighter is a fantastic set for anyone who loves Star Wars, building, or both. The included characters from the Andor series add extra value and playability. Whether you're a collector or looking for a fun build, this set won't disappoint. Bullseye emoji, check the link below for the best deals on this LEGO set. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Are you Team Cassian, K2SO, or Dedra Meero?